Hello my friend, you might be now asking yourself what you should learn after this course. You probably know what I will say. Yes, you should learn Autoprefixer that I talk about, and this thing can be run by something what is called Grunt. And well, it is a JavaScript task runner, and this is gonna automate your work. There are lots of useful things for the Grunt, and I'm gonna create a course about this topic. But it also depends on what you have learned so far. You should know by this time, but if you are watching this course, you should know what? You should know the HTML and CSS, okay? So if you do not know this, you have to learn everything about it. You should know by now something what is called CSS3. You should also know something what is called Sass, and now you are learning Compass, then you can go to Grunt, okay? But it's also really important to know what you should learn in order to create something professional, right? Because right now there is no way to remember things, to make your web page dynamic or other things like that. So you should learn things like PHP. PHP will allow you, with using any database, for example MySQL, to create something like forums, shops and other things like that, but they will not be so cool without something what is called a JavaScript, because JavaScript is a programming language, script language, run inside our browsers that will make your web page look dynamically. Things will move around. You can click on something that will show up. You will have movement on your web page. You should also learn the HTML5, so you will construct your web page better. But the most important part of HTML5 is the API that is coming with it. You're gonna be able to save, for example, instead of cookies, you're gonna be able to save into local storage. You're gonna be able to, for example, upload files. That's also a great thing from the desktop, okay? You can just move things from desktop to the browser and you will upload instantly. You have a progress bar. Yes, HTML5 API for JavaScript allows you to do it. So and you can even make games, but well, it's an advanced topic. So it's also important to know something like jQuery. jQuery is a thing that is a framework for JavaScript that will make you creating things in JavaScript like 10 times faster, okay? So if you want to know JavaScript, you want jQuery for sure. And there is lots of plugins that will just do all the work for you most times. So it's like perfect thing. Okay, so you know now almost every most important things. You also should know like something like Ajax, and that will allow you to, for example, load something on your website without reloading your website. That's pretty cool. You can make charts and other things like that with it. Then you can learn something like, for example, MySQL improved, which will improve your queries. It will make your website load faster. It will be more secure. It will be easier to secure it and other things like that. And you can learn the PDO, which is mostly used in companies for creating a database inside the PHP, for example. What is cool also? Well, I think SEO, search engine optimization. This is very important topic. If you do not know it, you should even almost start with it. We should go from HTML, CSS to SEO. Why? Because when you know search engine optimization, you will start to create your web page thinking about robots. And well, if you think about robots, you also think about your users, and your website will look better because of it. Things will be put into right places. Your URLs will be very nice. You will have a good navigation on your websites and other things like that, right? And well, SEO is important because, you know, your website finally will be visited and it's gonna make money, or you're gonna show people what you want to tell them, right? So this is very important topic, right? SEO. Okay, so you know what to do after this course. I think it's a grant. If you do not know things before grant, as I said earlier, try to learn them first. Okay, that's only that in that course. Thank you very much and have a good day.